Hi there. This is your English teacher, and today's everyday English conversation is about traveling. I will help you to understand the conversation by providing a written summary below. So let's go. Hey there, how are you? It's me from my English Lessons channel. Welcome to my channel where we learn English step by step and reach our goals together. And today, we have another everyday English conversation for English speaking practice. We have already had many of those conversations on my channel, and if you would like to see more, just type in the search bar conversation and you'll find them all. And if you would like to download the PDF version of this conversation, as well as the other supporting materials, you can go to my website. The link is provided below. In today's everyday English conversation, two friends, they met at a train station. They're going to travel together. Let's listen to them and see what they say. Hello, excuse me. Is the train delayed? Or is it normal that it's so crowded? Hello, yes, I think it's normal. It's always like this. Look at that man over there. He dropped his bag. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Do you know where we can put our bags? There are some lockers over there. You can put your things there. And do you know when does the train leave? In 20 minutes. This train takes us to the city center. We'll get off at the next station. Okay, thank you. Bye. Hey, wait, I forgot to ask. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I came here to visit my friend Maria. She lives near the city center. What about you? Where are you from? I'm from Argentina. I'm here on holiday. I want to visit as many places as possible. That's why I chose this trip. Really, me too. I also want to visit many places. It's my first time in this city. Well, me too. So I was wondering if you wanted to join me. Join you? Sure, why not? When does the tour start? In half an hour. Great. Then let's go. Excuse me, could you tell me where the tour starts? Sorry, I don't know. I'm just leaving. Going back home. No, I'm leaving this train. I'm going on that tour. Which tour? This tour. The girl told me about it yesterday. What girl? The one who sits across from me. Her. She told me you would ask me about it. So you know a lot of things. Are you a local? No, I live near here. My aunt lives in this city, and she told me about this tour. That's why I'm going. Well, I hope it's good. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Now I'm going to explain some points related to this conversation. Some of these explanations will be quite detailed because I want to show you some structures and patterns that you can use in your own sentences. The first thing I do like to talk about is the phrase, I was wondering if you. When we want to make an offer to someone, like inviting someone to go somewhere with us, we often say, I was wondering if you wanted to. For example, I was wondering if you wanted to come to the cinema with me. Or I was wondering if you wanted to go shopping with me. The second point I'd like to talk about is the word join, which means to join a tour, to join a club, to join a group. It's the same as to participate in something. For example, do you want to join me? Means, do you want to participate in this activity with me? The third point I'd like to talk about is the verb to leave. It has many different meanings, and we use it in many different situations. In this conversation, the man says, I'm leaving this train. That means he's getting off the train. We use leave to talk about getting off a train, getting off a bus, getting off a plane. For example, when are you leaving? Means, when are you getting off the plane? Or when are you getting off the train? But we can also say, I'm leaving the city, which means that he's leaving the city, or I'm leaving my job. That means that he's quitting his job. So, before you use this expression, you need to understand what you want to say. Are you getting off something, or are you leaving a place? And the last meaning is I'm leaving. That means he's departing. He's leaving the station. So it depends on the situation. The fourth point I'd like to talk about is a structure going to plus base form of a verb. For example, I'm going to visit my friend. This structure is used when we talk about future events, but not plans. For example, if I want to say that every day I watch English lessons videos, I can say I watch English lessons videos every day. But I cannot say I'm going to watch English lessons videos every day. Because watching videos is a daily routine, not a future event. If you plan to watch a video today, that's a future event. So you can say today, I'm going to watch an English lesson video, or I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow. But you cannot say, I'm going to visit my friend every day. The fifth point I'd like to talk about is the expression leaving the city and going back home. This guy says, I was going to leave this train, but now I'm going to stay because I'm going to join this tour. Okay, now he says he's staying. He's not leaving the train. Now he's getting off the train, and he's not going back home. He's going to stay in this city. And then he says, well, I hope it's good. Goodbye. Have a nice day. And then he gets off the train. So before you go somewhere, you can say I'm leaving home or I'm going back home. And when you arrive home, you can say I'm back home. The sixth point I'd like to talk about is a question. Could you tell me where? This is a polite way to ask for directions. For example, could you tell me where the toilet is? Or could you tell me where the nearest bank is? And that's it for today. If you like this everyday English conversation, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. The link is provided below. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.